welcome to my channel. I'm Helen of Helen Jeanne Designs and Hope-Filled Journals, and I'm here today. I wanted to share with you my setup for November in my altered book planner. I've been working on this planner in the junk journal style in an altered book, and you can look at my other videos if you want to see how I've been setting them up. This month I've decided to do things a little bit different. It's been a very busy month, and November's come upon me so quickly, and it's also going to be a busy month next month. So what I did is, rather than setting up the planner on the video, I already set it up, and I'm just basically going to go through and show you just a little bit of how I set it up. And so this will be just a pretty quick video. This is my, what I used this month is I used some printables from my vintage planner, and that's available either on my website as a download or in my Etsy shop. And this is from that. It's a vintage style printable. So I used that, and I used a few other kits. So I used my kit, this vintage style planner. I also used a little bit from my gratitude journal kit, and then I used several of the pages I used from Calico Collage, one of her planning kits, and I'm going to put the links for these below just so you can see what I used. And Rachel Bella Crafts and LineDotArrow. So I used a combination of those things along with some stickers I had from the scrapbooking paper book from one of my other videos for that little craft I made for my grandkids. So anyway, this is my setup for my monthly spread with my calendar. And I used some stickers, a little bit of scrapbooking paper. And this again is from my vintage planner, and I used some stickers from the scrapbooking kit and a little bit of the printables from, I believe this is from LineDotArrow and Rach and Bella Crafts. And I like to have, as I've shown in my other videos, I always like to have my goals and the steps that I need to take to achieve those goals. I like to do that for the month, and then I always like to have a habit tracker. So I have that here. And this next spread is from Calico Collage. It's from one of her fall planners. I don't remember the name of the kit, but I will link that below. And she's got some cute little foxes, and I just added the dates. So I really haven't done anything else to this page yet. I reserved some stickers, and I always like to do some sketching and doodles in my planner. So I will do that as I go along. And this also is from Calico Collage. And these are just some stickers that I had. I went ahead and put my dates in. And this, I believe, is... Actually, I think this is also from Calico Collage's kit with some of the accents and stickers from some of the other kits, along with some washi tape. Washi tape, I like to add washi tape to some of my setups. And again, this is Calico Collage. She has a lot of cute kits, so I'm sure if you've seen her things before, but she has many cute things. You should check out her shop. And this again is I've just added from some of the accents from some of the kits. And I added this page. I like this because it says, since it's November here in the United States, that's the month we celebrate Thanksgiving. And I'm working on a gratitude journal that I started that I'm going to do into November. But I also like having this, what are you grateful for? Thankful, grateful, blessed. So I'm going to really focus on that a lot for the month of November. And then this is just a spread I think I'm going to use, this is actually from my gratitude planner, or not planner. This is from my gratitude journal kit, and I thought this was be a good idea to use this for some Thanksgiving planning, because I know I'll be doing planning of some sort for the Thanksgiving holiday. So basically that's it on my setup. Just room for writing, room for planning, a little bit of everything with the fall theme and sticking with the fall colors. Next month I will go into the Christmas theme for the month of December, and then that'll probably about finish up this journal, and I'll have to start something new for the first of the year. Now, I also wanted to share with you today something that I think is pretty exciting. I'm going to be taking part in a collaboration for the month of November. It is called A to Z of Christmas Craft, and it's a collaboration that is been organized by Rachel from Rach and Bella Crafts. And what it's going to be, there's 34 different crafters who have YouTube channels, and many of them have been around for a long time, and you might be familiar with some of their channels because they've given a lot of good input and ideas for junk journaling and crafting in general. So what this is going to be is the 34 people participating, and this is the list. You may or may not be able to see it. I'm also going to put a link. Rachel put out a video and it explains it in a little bit more detail, and it has all of the links for these crafters and their YouTube channels. But they're going through the alphabet, and each person has been given a letter or a number, and starting Monday, November 1st, Suzanne from Nonstop Paper Crafts is going to be sharing a craft, and it's going to have something to do with the letter A, but she can pretty much take it whatever direction she wants, and she's going to share with us a craft. So a good idea would, if you want to participate, would be to have maybe put together a journal for all the crafts, if you can craft with each person. At the end of the month, you will have a lot of different crafts that you've learned, and they're all going to be Christmas crafts. So I am at the very end. I'm actually November 30th, and I have the 2 turtle doves, because part of it is also going to be a partridge in a pear tree, the 12 days of Christmas. So that's the prompt that I've been given. So I'm going to do a craft from that. So I hope you will participate, and I will put a link to Rachel's video below. And there's going to be several giveaways and freebies. And I know that Rachel mentioned in her video that she's going to be crafting along with each person and putting together a journal, and at the very end she's actually going to give away that journal. So I hope you'll participate, and again I will share the links below, and I hope that you'll work in your planner for the month of November, and December's coming upon us also, so we'll be concentrating on some Christmas crafts for the month of November, but not forgetting our gratitude, and that's why I have the Thanksgiving theme for my fall planner. So thank you for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or comments, and I hope you'll join in to our craft A to Z of Christmas craft. I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.